guys, so today I will show you how to use cloves for boosting hair growth and also at the same time controlling hair fall. So let's get started. Cloves is said to be one of the effective ingredients to use for regrowing the hair because it stimulates hair growth and it revives dead follicles. They also provide a better hair shaft and control unwanted hair fall from simply brushing or washing your hair. Now, cloves can also help get rid of dandruff. It prevents premature graying of hair and it promotes a healthy scalp as well. Okay, so to make this, you'll need 2 cups of water. And then bring that into a boil and then add in the 3 tablespoons of cloves and let that boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. And then after that, turn the heat off. Now, once again, the proportion is dependent on how long or how thick your hair is. Now, in there, I'm just gonna let that sit for an hour to cool. And then I'm gonna strain it twice just to get rid of the particles of the cloves because you don't want that to get stuck on your hair. Now you can use this as is or either add in some oils or any other ingredients that you want, but for me I want to keep it simple. Now for the application, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a spray bottle so that it'll be easier for me to use. Now I will spray this all over my hair, especially on my scalp. Now make sure that this really hits your scalp and not just the top part of your hair. This is actually best to apply inside the shower because it will be less messy, and I think that it's actually great to fully soak your hair in it because it will also keep your hair healthy. Now the scent of this reminds me of a hibiscus flower when you brew it. Now I also like using this rinse after I oil my hair, and sometimes I like using it as is because it works well if you start off with clean hair. Now I'm gonna leave that on my hair for 2 hours and then just wash it off with my regular shampoo. Now I like how this does not dry your hair or scalp, and it actually works great if you're trying to control hair fall. Now last time I was actually dealing with hair fall due to me losing weight, and this really helped a lot. Now you can use this 3 times a week or either use it every other day. Now the only thing that I don't like about this is the smell, but you can always use a good smelling shampoo after. Now if your hair is sensitive to oils, then this is a good substitute to use if you want to grow your hair without using the oils. It's a great treatment for both growing the hair and also treat and prevent hair loss. And also you don't need to leave it for too long on your hair because it's not necessary, but it is important to use this consistently. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are using cloves on your hair and what are your results. So that is it, you guys. If you all want more of these DIYs and if you're keeping up with this hair growth series, please do check out my previous DIY. I will be linking it right here. Also, I will be putting that as well in the description box down below. And as usual, if you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!